to Devi's Law Capsule, and this is Devi Sanal. In this video, you will get important topics in IPR which are repeatedly asked for Ll.B University exams. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So first, let's see some of the important essay questions that comes under copyright. Here you have to concentrate on areas like meaning, definition and subject matter of copyright, rights available to a copyright owner, how infringement of copyright occurred, then about the assignment, relinquishment and transmission of copyright. Next, you have to go through topics like role played by the copyright societies, meaning of copyright in relation to various works, when a copyright subsists in a cinematographic films, objectives of copyright, what is assignment of copyright and explain the mode of assignment. Another important area is remedies available against copyright infringement, procedure for registration of copyright, provisions regarding appeal on rejection of copyright application. So these are the important essay questions of copyright that can be asked for the exam. For the 2-mark questions, you have to go through international copyright, performance right, copyright board, copyright society, copyright office, relinquishment, cinematographic films, literary works, terms of copyright and nature of copyright. And also sound recording, dramatic work, copyright, artistic work and performer for the purpose of copyright. Now let's see some of the important essay questions that comes under Patent Act, and they are: what is patent, procedure for obtaining patent, patentable invention, inventions which are non-patentable, rights and obligations of patentee, procedure for filing patent application. Next, about the conditions for patentable invention, grounds for revocation of patent and concept of anticipation. So these are the important repeated essay questions in Patent Act. Some of the important 2-mark questions are register of patents, novelty, patentable invention, assignment of patent rights, kinds of patent, process patent and product patent, evergreening of patent, patent addition, revocation and surrender of patent. Now let's see some of the important topics in Trademarks Act, and here you have to focus on topics like what is trademark, functions and classification of trademark, characteristics of good trademark, distinguish trademark from property mark, procedure to register a trademark, grounds for refusal to register a trademark, distinguish between passing of action and trademark infringement, relevance of registration of trademarks. Another important area is deceptive similarity, remedies available against infringement of trademark, assignment and transmission of trademark, procedure for registration of trademark. Next is difference between trademark, certificate trademark and well-known trademark. Conditions for assignment of trademark, discuss the basic principles and objectives of trademark in India. So these are the important essay topics in Trademarks Act. Some of the important 2-mark questions are service marks, passing of action, deceptiveness in trademark, goodwill, certification of trademarks, functions of trademark, unregistered trademark, assignment and transmission of trademark, false trade description, and trade secret. Now let's see some of the other important topics that you have to cover, and in that Designs Act is very important. And guys, I have already uploaded a video on Designs Act, and for the link you can check the description of this video. Okay. Now the other important areas are characteristics of intellectual property, explain piracy and what are the possible defenses in an action for piracy, explain civil remedies against piracy. Another important area is geographical indication and its legal protection, breeders' right, researchers' right available against the protection of plant varieties and farmers' right, powers and functions of National Biodiversity Authority, traditional knowledge and IPR protection. Next, you have to concentrate on salient features of TRIPS, difference between private and public rights in intellectual property, explain protection afforded under law to protect traditional knowledge. So these are the other important repeated questions. For the 2-mark questions, you have to go through piracy of registered design, novelty, subject matter of design, WTO, farmers and breeders' right, international character of intellectual property, Berne Convention, atomic research, biodiversity, and ISO certificate. So guys, these are the repeated important topics in IPR. Make sure that you have gone through all these topics, and all the best for the exam. And if you find this video useful, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.